here on this boat, going across this body of water to try these green lemon nine shoes. I believe this is one of the high chew packs from Taiwan. Should be really good. We usually get a great selection of flavors from there, and it's a bit difficult to open, but we got it, folks. Ooh. Again, like sort of more of a square prism, an interesting green, teal, almost like a sea green sort of situation. Nice firm chew, delicious taste. Citrus flavor is really nice. This is a sort of lemony lime, bright and refreshing. I don't want a soda that tastes like this, or lemonade. This is delightful.